Hello, dear listeners. Welcome to our Slow English Movie Review podcast. Today we learn English through a beautiful and tragic love story from Vietnam, The Last Wife. Join us as we explore a captivating historical drama and improve your English listening skills, one gentle sentence at a time. In this podcast, we will watch and understand the emotional story of The Last Wife. You will improve your English listening. We use short, clear sentences. This helps you learn naturally, enjoy the story, and learn English with us. Our story takes us to an old Vietnamese village. It is a time of strong traditions. Society has many rules. These rules guide everyone's life. They shape families and choices. Life is beautiful, but also strict. We will see how these traditions affect our characters. At the heart of our story is a young woman. She becomes a wife. Her husband is a powerful man. Their lives are bound by duty. She faces many challenges. We will follow her journey. We will understand her feelings. She is strong, but also vulnerable. The story begins with a marriage. It is not a marriage of love. It is a marriage of family pressure. Society expects certain things. A wife must bring honor. She must have children. These expectations are heavy. They shape her new life, but deep inside, there is a hidden love. Our main character feels a strong emotion. It is a forbidden feeling. She struggles with her heart. Duty pulls her one way. Desire pulls her another. This conflict is central to the story. It creates much drama. Then, a key emotional scene happens. This moment changes everything. It is a turning point. Her life will never be the same. This scene is powerful. It shows her true strength. It reveals her deepest desires. Let's learn some important words from our story. First, tradition. This means old customs and beliefs. Second, freedom. This is the power to act, speak, or think as one wants. Third, marriage. This is the union of two people. Fourth, secret. This is something kept hidden. And finally, destiny. This is what is fated to happen. The movie has a hidden message. It speaks about freedom. It talks about identity. It gives a voice to women. It asks us to think. What does it mean to be free? How do we find our true selves? These are important questions. Let's recap our vocabulary slowly. Listen carefully. Tradition, freedom, marriage, secret, destiny. These words help us understand this story better. Practice saying them with us. This beautiful story makes us think. What would you choose? Duty or love? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this podcast and learned English with us, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you for listening.